Hi, this is Nicole, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to add students to your classes in your Storyboard teacher account. Here we are in the teacher dashboard. There are no students or classes set up, so we can get started right from this page. You only want to add classes here if you are manually adding students. If you're using Google Classroom, you want to start importing classes here. If you're looking to manage your students or classes, you can do so on the left-hand menu as well. Let's take a look at this page. If you're using Google, Clever, or another kind of learning management system, you can do so right up here. This will not only import your classes, but also your students and automatically roster for you. The other option is to add a class here. When I'm ready to add students, I can click the Invite Students link to the right of the class. This is going to give you a few different options. You can copy the class code. You can also click this and it'll give you the same class code. This is going to have students create a username and password that they will then use to log in every time that they log into Storyboard that. You can also choose a single sign-on option. Depending on what your school uses, you can use Clever, Google, or Microsoft. And students will create their account using that single sign-on and be connected to your class. You can also go over to My Students if you'd like a little bit more control, here as well as here. This allows you to control the username and password that you create for your students. Let me add a student. So I've created a student with their own unique username and a password. I'm going to add them to my class. And now they're here in my Manage Students section. The student can then choose to sign in with email and use the username and password that you've created. To make this process easier, you can also choose to print out login cards, so students have their login information readily accessible. Now you'll be ready to get students started in creating. Thanks for watching and happy storyboarding.